represent केला and तेंच्यांनी from one level they have taken the football game to another level, and India has risen up in the ranks of football, but we need to rise up furthermore. And Michael said we need to give inspiration to the people of Kalangut, because and since we have invested so much in football, time, money and effort, आमच्याकडे तुमका खबर असतली की कलंगूट फुटसाल ग्राउंड आम्ही त्याचा इनॉग्रेट केला असा. It is 1/2 or 2/1 rather futsal ground. Then we have full-fledged grass court football ground in Kalangut. We have 2 football grounds in Kangalim, a futsal ground in Arpora, a futsal ground in Nagwa, a PVC full-fledged ground in Parra with grass court, full grass gatula subdivision, and we have good facility for sports. So let us provide inspiration for the next generation, where we can take the football from this level to the higher up. And Michael said there is no other better person than installing the statue of Ronaldo. Immediately we worked upon it and we delivered, and I shall say thank you to Michael Lobo for providing us with such a big sculpture that exists right in front of you. Today we are going to unveil it, and we look forward for the inauguration of that statue. Again, I would like to say thank you for coming to attend this event. Thank you very much. Thank you.
देवबरे करून म्हणटा बाब दत्तप्रसाद दावोलकरा. तशेंच आमचे मदगात आसा एक्स इंडियन फुटबॉल प्लेयर, एंड तशेंच सेजा एकेडमीक कोच आसले आनी सेजाचे प्लेयरूय आसले. सो हांव मागता बाब एंटनी डिसोजा लागीं 2 उतरां उलोवपाक.
Respected Michael, Kalangut Panchayat, all members and Panch members, Arpora Panch members, and my dear friends, it's a pleasure to be in front of you, because football is in our blood, own blood, and I see a lot of people from Kalangut, especially Digambar, Alex, Brunos. We have produced a lot of players in Goa, especially in Kalangut. All these players, they have played for state, they have played for international, and I hope with these facilities, during our time there were no facilities. We had to go cycling. Whenever we used to practice, we had to go on cycles, and now there are all facilities given to these children, especially in Kalangut. There are a lot of facilities and development is going on. So I feel everybody should take this opportunity, especially children, boys and girls who want to play football. Be footballers. Nowadays, there is a lot of money in football. During our times, there was very less money. And we like to see a lot of players coming up in future, especially because of this. And as I am a coach, a youth coach, I know a lot of players wants to come in the academy. As if I am in the Tempo Academy at present, I have been in Cesar Academy for nearly 21 years. So all the best to all the children from Kalangut, the boys and girls, and upcoming footballers. All the best. Thank you.
You could make it. You could make it.
देवबरे करून म्हणटा बाब एंटनी डिसोजा. हांव मागता आमच्या गांवचे सरपंच मिस्टर शॉन मार्टिना लागीं ह्या ब्युटिफिकेशनाचेर 2 उतरां उलोवपाक.
Good evening, everybody. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Michael Lobo, Guest of Honor, Anthony D'Souza, Kalangut Attorney, Zilla Panchayat Member Datta Prasad Dabolkar, Deputy Sarpanch Cheryl Lobo, all my Panchayat members, football lovers, and my dear friends. Well, I am very happy कित्याक म्हाका उगडास येता 5 years back हो जागो actually एक barren land आसलो. There was nothing over here. So आमचो फर्स्ट विचार मायकलान आमची मिटींग लायला आनी सांगला जस्ट सेक्युअर दॅट एरिया. कित्याक ओपन स्पेस केन्ना आमी ओपन अशें दवरतात, बासी येतात, कोण गाडयो भायले गाडयो येतात आनी मॅस करतात. कोण कोण मागीर भायले लोक येतात गारे घालतात आनी मागीर तांकां काडूंक साफ करूंक डिफिकल्ट. सो फर्स्ट आमी कितें फकत कर्ब स्टोन, केन्ना हांव जिल्ला पंचायत मेंबर आसलो, फकत कर्ब स्टोन घालून जागो सेक्यूर केल्ले आमी. And then it was handed over to Datta Prasad Dabolkar, the new Zilla member he had become at that time. And still I remember that when we had this place, Datta Masun the speech and sangla, what are we going to do with this? खूप आमचे फॅसिलिटी हिंगा आहा, बट एज दत्ता सेड काय रेक्रिएशनल फॅसिलिटी ना. सो आमी दत्ता, आमचो MLA मायकल लोबो, वॉर्ड मेंबर एंड नाव डेप्युटी सरपंच शेरल आनी सगळे पंचायत मेंबर्स, वी सेट एंड गेव आयडियाज. हो जागो कसा काय बरो सोबीत जागो, दोन्ही साइड आमचे आगोर आहा, देर आर सॉल्ट पॅन, देर इज अ ब्युटिफुल चॅपल ऑन वन साइड, देर इज अ ब्रिज एंड वी आर सराउंडेड विथ वॉटर. So we gave this inputs to our architect Suzanne from Kandolim to tell her to come up with something which blends in this area. It काय बरो सोबीत simple area. We wanted to keep it simple, subtle. कितें loud, कितें strong structures or something we didn't want. We wanted to keep it very green, matching this beautiful landscape. तुम्ही राउंड बसून पळया आता, it's such a beautiful place. So keeping this in mind, Suzanne एक best plan केला आनी आमच्या MLA full support दिल्ले आहा, कित्याक project करूंक पैसे जाय पडटा. Zilla contributed a lot to this, his time and effort. The ward member contributed her time, also raised funds. Social workers and hoteliers helped support some things in this project. So it was a collective project, and what we have here is a beautiful walkway. We have a beautiful serene landscaping done of this place. Datta has taken initiative and put underground irrigation. कितें केलें आनी water उदीक पडना झाडाक ते मरतले. He's put underground water pipeline, beautiful lights, beautiful flowers. एक बरो I love Goa sign गेल्ले आहा, because Kalangut is a touristic place. We need to promote Goa, we need to promote Kalangut. So you can see a selfie point behind me. There's a I love Goa. आता soon भितर आमी वयतले. You will see a I love Goa signage. The people will come, click pictures, and they will share it. Say we आमी Kalangut हा, or आमचा picture Kalangut. So this way the village also becomes very famous. So this is a beautiful project for all you people to come here and enjoy. This project is for you, like how we did Ami Poriat futsal ground, children's park kela. It's tumka lagon, loka lagon. So you'll have to use this. Children have to use it. This is a beautiful place for senior citizens. So this once this project, another important addition to this project, I would like to tell you about the statue. But before I go there, तुम्ही उगडास बघता 2012, if I'm not mistaken, our honorable late ex-CM Mr. Manohar Parrikar had declared football as a state sport in Goa, the first state to have football officially as a state sport. He took the sentiments of the people. तो जाणा आल्लो that आमी गोंयकार सामके football crazy, football आमचे रक्तान हा. He knew this and he made it an official state sport, and we can see this passion. आता FC गोवाचे मॅचेस बा असताना तुम्ही जाणा, see the passion in Kalangut. आमच्या गांवांत तू पॅशन पळय, सगळे भुरगे जर्सी काडटात, त्यांचे स्टिकर असतले, त्यांचे फ्लॅग असतले. आमच्या गांवचो भाव पासून गाडी घेतात, कॅबिन ऑल्सो देतात, गाडी घेता, स्पीकर साऊंड चोडयता, भुरग्यांक येता, फुल भोंवडायता ऑन हिज ओन. So this is the passion that is there in Kalangut. This is the passion that is there for football as a sport. So when we know that this passion is there in a village, we need to have something to promote new talent, to promote the youth, to promote the children. So no one better than Cristiano Ronaldo. We have to have the best. To inspire the youth, to inspire the children, you have to put the number one person in this place. So these young children, when they're going for practice, when they're going for training, when they will see this every day, and they will say, one day I will become like him. One day I will play for my country. One day I'll make my country proud. This is to inspire. Football has no religion. There is no caste. There is no borders. It is open. It is a universal language. And we want our people to be the best. Tomorrow we want Amcha Kalangutkar, Amcha Lok, to have a statue of his own alongside Ronaldo, alongside the greatest people and greatest footballers of our time. This is what we believe in. This is what we want to give to the people. This may not happen in 5 years or 10 years, but by 15 years, 20 years down the line, I'm sure the young children gathered here, the young children who are playing the sport, will look up to him and look up to be role models in future. So there is no politics, there is no caste, creed, nothing attached to it. We simply want the best. We want the number one, and we want our children and the future of the children of this to be number one, and to stand and be statues like them, standing aside Ronaldo one day in the future. आमच्या कलांगुटान जायते, like आमचो Anthony Bob said, जायते footballer produce केल्ले. The famous is Bruno Coutinho, आमचो ex India captain. He is known everywhere in India, one of the sharpshooters of Goa, and one of the talent that the full country talks about. आमच्या Yolanda, not to forget Yolanda, in the 70s, 80s, Yolanda D'Souza was known as the hat-trick queen. Then we have R. Digambar, we have Anton, we have so many of our footballers that the villages produce, and we will remember them. We have a ground, Koryat ground. The main ground is now up due for refurbishment, up due with the support of our MLA. We hope that to refurbish that entire ground, and all the Kalangut footballers who are there before, who are there now, will be remembered, and we will give them a beautiful tribute, a beautiful thing to inspire our local Goan kids to also follow our footsteps of our leaders and sons of soil of Kalangut. So I thank you all. I urge you to use this space. Come over here, get your children over here, sit down. We have created many spaces for you in Kalangut. And down the line, the Panchayat, the Zilla, the MLA, like Datta said, it is all a team. When development comes, it all comes in a team. We cannot have any hindrance, we cannot have any objection from this to that. So there is no blame game, there is no any pointing of fingers. We are here, tumhi amka newdon आणलेले आहात, and we are here to deliver to you. So saying this, I thank you all and thank you all for coming.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या सरपंचाक मोठ्यान ताळी जावंक जाय आमच्या सरपंचा खातीर. ताणें एक बऱ्यांतलो बरो ग्राउंड तशेंच चिल्ड्रन पार्क खूब व्हडलो इनिशिएटीव घेवन तशेंच हे पार्क अंडर द गायडन्स ऑफ MLA तशें मायकल लोबो तशेंच जिल्हा पंचायत मेंबर दत्तप्रसाद दाबोलकर एक टीम जावन हे दोन पार्क आतां हालींच इनॉग्रेट जाल्ले आसा. तसोच हो पार्क आतां इनॉग्रेट जातलो. चड टायम वेस्ट करिनासतना हांव मागता आमचे गांवचे लाडके आमदार तशेंच मंत्री श्री मायकल लोबो लागीं ह्या ब्युटिफिकेशन तशेंच जे पार्का बद्दल एक दोन उतरां उलोवपाक.
बस बस.
नॉर्थ गोवा जिल्हा पंचायत बाब दत्तप्रसाद दाबोलकर and in association with village panchayat of Kalangut जो आयज वो प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडला. ब्युटिफिकेशन इन बिटवीन द पॅरलल ब्रिज जे लँडस्केपिंग केल्ले आहा. द लिजंड ऑफ फुटबॉल क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो हेचो स्टॅच्यू आमी आयज अनवेल करपाचे आहा. Present on this occasion, all the panchayat members, Deputy Sarpanch Cheryl, footballers of Kalangut, जे आयज माचयेर बशिल्ले आहा, सकला बशिल्ले आहा, print and electronic media, सगळे कोंगोटकार, आरपोरचे लोक, दुसरे गांवांतले येयल्ले लोक, आमचे भाव जे माझ्या रायटाक आसा जे ब्लॅक फ्लॅग घेवन आहा तेंकाय म्हजे नमस्कार. म्हाका दिसता फॉर द लव ऑफ फुटबॉल द गेम विच इज द ऑफिशियल गेम ऑफ गोवा ह्या गेमीकडे ह्या फुटबॉलाकडे पॉलिटिक्स करू नये. पॉलिटिक्साक टाइम आहा आता आनीक 1.5 महिनो उरला. तुम्ही सगळे पॉलिटिक्स करा. कोंगोडकार, कान्होईचे लोक, आरपारा नागू आणि पार्राचे लोक तुमचो योग्य जागो तुमकां दाखयतले. फुटबॉलाकडे पॉलिटिक्स करपाचें ना. हो जो स्टॅच्यू घातला क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो हो लिजंड जावन आसा. आख्ख्या संवसाराचो लिजंड. वो इन्स्पायर करता आमच्या भुरग्यांक. आमचे चेडे तशी चेडवां जी फुटबॉलान आपले नाव कमयतली तेचे इन्स्पिरेशन घेतली. कोंगोटकाराच न्हू पूण आख्खे गोंयचे लोक हिंगा येवन तेजे वांगडा फोटो काडटले. आय वॉन्ट टू बिकम लायक क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो. जेन्ना पॉलिटिक्स येता तेन्ना खूब जाण म्हणटा आपल्याक मोदी भाशेन जावपाक जाय. आय वॉन्ट टू बिकम लायक मोदी. आय वॉन्ट टू बिकम लायक राजीव गांधी. आय वॉन्ट टू बिकम लायक इंदिरा गांधी. चेडवा म्हणटा पॉलिटिक्सान. पूण फुटबॉलान जेन्ना येता तेन्ना असल्या लिजंडांची नांवां येता. हांव मानता आमच्या गांवांत बाब ब्रुनो कुटिनो जे माचयेर बशिल्ले आहा फुटबॉलर्स थोडे हिंगा येवंक ना तेंकाय आमी ऑनर करपाक जाय. आनी हांव उतर दिता आयज सगळ्या कोंगडकारांक हो आमचो पोरयात फुटबॉल ग्राउंड आहा तो इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्ड आमी कोत्तले बरे स्टँड बांदतले आणि त्या स्टँडाच्या सायडीक जी वॉल आसतली हिंगासर आमी जे आजुले जे स्टायल्स आहा तितून कॅरिकेचर्स करतले आणि सगळे फुटबॉलर्स जेणी योगदान दिला फुटबॉलाक जेणी नाव कमयला जेणी स्पोर्टिंग क्लबांक खेळल्या जे गोवा खेळल्या इंटरनॅशनल खेळल्या हेंचे सगळ्यांचे कॅरिकेचर्स आमी त्या वॉलांचेर घालतले each and every stand will be named after great footballers of Kalangut आमी ते केन्नाच सायडीक दवरचे ना चड उलोवंक सोदिना उलोवपाचें खूब आहा आनीक पूण आयज हे जे पार्क जाता कोणे म्हाका म्हटले कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी जातली कोणे म्हाका म्हटले झगडी जातली हांवें म्हटलें कांयच जावचें ना हांव आसा कोंगडकार आसा फुटबॉला कडेन जो कोण पॉलिटिक्स करता तेका लोक कोंगटी केन्नाच वयर सरोंक दिवचे ना जो जातीन फूट घालता जाती मदेकात फूट घालता त्या मनशाक कोंगटकार कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक केन्नाच वयर काडचे ना म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू थिंक बियॉन्ड ऑल दोज थिंग्स ते आदले दीस गेले जेन्ना जातीचेर मत मागताले ते आदले दीस गेले जेन्ना आमी म्हणटाले की आमी ह्या धर्मांसून येयल्या ह्या कास्टांसून येयल्या ह्या हितूनसून येयल्या म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे मनीस आनी मनीसपण आमकां फुडें व्हरपाक जाय आनी हे मनीसपणा खातीर आयज आमी सगळे हिंगा जमा जाल्ले आहा हांव अनेकदां हात जोडून तुमच्या लागीं मागता जे कोण ब्लॅक फ्लॅग दाखयता ते तुमी फुडल्या म्हयन्यान आमचे आतां इलेक्शनाची डेट 3 तारखेर नाल्यार 4 तारखेर जावपाची आहा तेन्ना तुमी करा आमी ऑपोजिट आसतले तुमी ते सायडीन आसतले प्रॉब्लेम ना त्याच टायमार पॉलिटिक्स करप तेजे उपरांत आमी फ्रेंड आसपाक जाय हितून दुश्मनी आसपाक पाडना लोक पळयता आमकां आख्खो गोंयचो लोक पळयता आख्खी इंडियेचो लोक पळयता फुटबॉला कडेन पॉलिटिक्स तुमी करता म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे नाका जाल्ले वस्तू बंद करपाचो टायम येयल्लो आहा आनी गोंयचो लोकूय आमकां पळयता जे हिसपान हे आयज राजकारण चल्लां पळय तें म्हाका दिसता येता त्या काळान आनी क्लियर जावपाचे आहा गजाली पूण आतां सद्याक फॉर द लव ऑफ फुटबॉल फॉर द लव ऑफ गोवन्स एंड द यूथ who will get inspired for the game, the official game of Goa, that is football. Let us do the honors by going over there and unveiling the statue. Thank you. God bless.
आमच्या ह्या इनॉग्रेशनाचे प्रोग्रामान तशेंच आमचे गांवचे जे फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स जे खोडेघाट प्लेयर म्हणटा आमी आमच्या मदेगात आसा एक बिहाफ ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा जिल्हा पंचायत तशेंच विलेज पंचायत कलंगूट तांचे सत्कार करता हांव मागता आमच्या चीफ गेस्ट श्री मायकल लोबो लागीं तांकां पयले खातीर हांव आफोवंक सोदता आमचे बाब एंटनी डिसोजा एक्स इंडियन फुटबॉल प्लेयर तशेंच कोच ऑफ सेजा अकॅडमी आनी डॅम्पोजो कोच जावन आसा मागता मोठ्यान ताळयो जावंक जाय हांकां हे जावन आसा खोडेघाट प्लेयर आमचे गांवचे तशेंच आमचे मदेगात आसा आमचे एक्स सालगांवकर प्लेयर बाब दिगंबर हळदणकर मागता सरपंच तशेंच आमचे सगळे गेस्टां लागीं तांकांय फेलिसिटेट करचें फक्त लोकांची ताळयो थांबूंक जायना. हे खरेंच एक लिजंड आसा आमचे कलंगूटचे. तेंच्यांनी नांव राखलेलें आसा फुटबॉलान. तशेंच आमचे मदगात आसा एक्स टेम्पो प्लेयर एलेक्स मिरांडा, जो आपले शूटिंग फेमस आसलो. जे हिंगा आदले लोक आसा तांकां खबर आसलेली. तो सदांच आपले शॉट्स रायट शॉट्स वयर काडटालो आनी शॉट मारतालो. जो जावन आसा एलेक्स मिरांडा. तशेंच एक आमचो यंग एंड डायनेमीक मॉडेल म्हणूंक जाता. तसोच तो फुटबॉल प्लेयरूय जावन गेल्लो आसा बऱ्यांतलो बरो. ताणें खुबशे क्लबाक रिप्रेझेंट केल्ले आसा. तो जावन आसा एक्स सालगांवकर प्लेयर. तसोच सेजा आनी टेम्पो तो जावन आसा राज हळदणकर. फक्त राज
राज
तशेंच हे गार्डन करपाक आमकां खूब जाणांनी हेल्प केल्लो आसा. सो तितूंतलो एक जाण आसा आमचो भाव, एक बिजनसमॅन मिस्टर प्रशांत कोरगांवकर.